Now let's take a look at what they're saying in the book here with the G chord. Notice that we've learned the G chord 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. And if you remember, you could go 1, 2, 4, or you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, and put your 3 right here, and 4. So there are 4 different ways to actually play that G chord. Let's do the 1, 2, 3. So you got 1, 2, 3. This one actually hurts my back of my hand, so I don't like it. I can do it, but it really pulls the back of my hand. So if you have a little pain back here when you're doing that, don't use it. I like to use 1, 2, pinky, 1, 2, 4. It puts less stress on the back of my hand, and my pinky is easier to reach it. You could go 2, 3, 4. I use this one a lot when I'm coming off of a C chord, because my 2 and 3 are there already, so I just slide them up, drop the pinky. Another way to play it as well is 1, 2, 4, and then on that 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And that is D note. And if you know in your chord, for a G chord, you have a G, B, D. So you know that the B, which is the 2nd string, is part of the chord, and also the D is part of the chord. So both those notes do work. Or it gives a little bit different tonality. Listen for this sound. Or listen for this sound. So if you listen carefully, you can actually hear the notes in there. Right? So I guess it just depends what you want to do, what color you want in the chord, and also where you're moving with the chord. The other chord that's on there too is a D7, and we already learned that one, and that's the triangle one, which is just opposite or mirror of a regular D, right? And there you go. So those are those chords there. Just wanted to remind you of those.